All right, so if you're shopping for a 22, there are some changes that you might want to know about from the 21s. It wasn't a direct, what you see in 21 is what you're getting in 22. They've actually removed and changed some things, and there's some people that probably aren't going to be happy. So one thing they have changed since 2021, in 21, these license plate lights are LEDs. In the 22s, they have gone back to the halogen. So I am not sure why, but your light by your license plate is going to be that brown kind of dull light now. It's not going to be the bright white like the LEDs. Those are easily replaceable, but just odd that they would change that. There's small change for 22s. You see this dial here that is used to close off the vent. That is no longer there on the 22. Not really sure why they got rid of it. It's just, I don't think I've actually ever used it, so it's not a huge deal. All right, one thing they've changed for the 22s, this is a 21, and you notice how it has the temperature controls, the temperature displayed in the dial here, and it's on for the passenger and driver side. So in the 22s, they no longer have this display on these controls. It is up on the screen for the 22s. All right, so this is a 2021, and in the 2022s, they no longer have the ambient light in the cup holders, and I think that adds a really nice touch and especially helpful at night when you're kind of reaching over and trying to put your drink in a spot. That little light kind of just, it's like a landing light for a plane. It kind of directs where you need to put your cup. But there's also a light in here that is missing. It's right there, right here, and I've heard it's not included as well in the 2022s, and also a door pocket light that is missing. So they've removed quite a bit of the ambient light that you used to get in the 21s from the 22s, and I'm not really sure why. It's just a nice touch. Another light they got rid of, and it's really shocking to me, is the glove box light. 22s no longer have a light in the glove box. I was actually hoping that the 22s would add a light for this little cubby hole here, because you can open it and there is no light inside there, and at night that would be nice to have just like a little ambient light inside there as well. I was hoping that in the 22 model they would add that, but they actually removed the light from the lower glove box, which is kind of odd. Another item that is no longer in the 22s that I'm hearing is headrests that tilt. These, as you can see, this is a 21. These tilt. The ones in the 22s, I am hearing they no longer tilt. So that may be an issue for some. You may have to find some aftermarket headrests that tilt. I know a lot of people like their tilting headrests. They also got rid of this little cell phone holder. It's just a little plastic cell phone holder that kind of goes down into a groove into your front little console here, and you can use it to stand your cell phone up. That is no longer included on the 22s. All right, so the thing I think I'm hearing the most about on the 2021-22 change is the most common that people would get on their XLT's 302A package included these LED box lighting. That package, the 302A, no longer includes the box lighting. You have to add the bed utility package now. They've moved these to the bed utility package. It's a $1,000 option, but it includes these LED lights. It includes your box link, which are your little hooks here, and these little brackets and the strap tie downs. So it includes those two things. It also includes the power tailgate, which you see right there, and also includes your tailgate step, which is right there as well. So that is the new bed utility package, and it is $1,000. So that's the changes from 21 to 22 that we have discovered so far. If you know of something different, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you guys think about the changes that they've made from 21 to 22. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See ya.